Major flight tragedy averted in Nepal. The flight number 901 from Kathmandu to Bhadrapur aircraft of the Buddha airline has veered off the runway while landing at Bhadrapur airport. There were 51 passengers on board the aircraft. All passengers are luckily safe, even the crew members. A technical and relief team is being dispatched from Kathmandu on another aircraft.
गएको अवस्था हो धन्न प्यासेन्जरहरू पाइलटहरू सबै सुरक्षित हुन्छ क्याप्टनहरू सबै निस्किनु हो क्याप्टन साहब हुन्छ त्यहाँ
My colleague Prabhakar is joining me with more details. Prabhakar, what is the current location of this aircraft currently? Are the passengers safe? Is there any medical and relief team on the site? The tragedy looks really scary in the visuals.
Yeah, it was very, very scary. There were 50 passengers on board, and this flight was actually flying from Kathmandu to Chitwan, and while it was landing at the airport in Chitwan, it skid and it actually ran off the runway. But all the 50 passengers on board are safe, including the crew members, and the rescue and the relief team, they are at the spot. They are evacuating the passengers, and as we speak, the passengers who were on board, they have been rushed to the hospital. Now, what we are told is that around 2 to 3 of them have sustained minor injuries, but no major incident so far happened, and the major incident averted actually.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Prabhakar, for joining us with those details. This was a major tragedy that has been averted in Nepal. A Nepal airline has skidded off the runway while landing at Bhadrapur airport, after which this scene unfolded, in which 51 passengers, including the crew members, are safe currently. A relief and rescue team has arrived at the airport, and the aircraft which skidded off the runway was of Buddha Airlines. This happened in Nepal this evening. However, all the passengers and crew members are safe who were on board this flight that landed from Kathmandu at Bhadrapur airport.
बुद्ध एयर अहिले भर्खरै